So one of the tools that is available to do this also is Paperpal. So an AI writing toolkit for academics. And with Paperpal, you are able to use in a single tool the rewriting, then the translation if you haven't written it right away in English. I always, if you are submitting to an English speaking journal, do suggest that you start off with English, but I know some of my colleagues still decide to rather write in their native languages and then get it translated at the end because they say it's a quicker process because they are thinking in that specific language. Then you have the AI writing tools available. So, to brainstorm ideas, sometimes you don't have a really clear picture or a clear outline, and exactly such tools will give you a bit more of clarity. And they will also create for you maybe the abstract, which I find quite well because once I write the whole manuscript, sometimes it's like, oh, I don't want to write the abstract at this point. And then if someone gives me a bit of a nudge with using the tool, this helps me then a lot to finish up my work. Then it will check also against plagiarism. That means looking at a similarity score or a color coded system showing you if something is too similar. I know this might sometimes sound as a plague because many of us understand that this plague that we have, that sometimes everything is red and green because we use the same phrases as other researchers, might not be the best option. But at the same time, it will point out the parts that might be too similar, that might be too much in comparison to the other parts. And then once you have that writing and polishing part, you will first of all start to prepare it using these specific tools such as Paperpal or other tools that do a lot of writing. And then you will be looking at the finalization phase when you will be looking at mainly checking your manuscript and hitting the submit button with your manuscript. Don't forget that even if you use tools, you're still the one that is liable and still the one that is responsible for that specific manuscript. So you still need to check yourself all of the things. And you know what the best possible typewriting check is hitting the submit button.